Welcome to Update Your Migrated Courses in Canvas. In this portion, we will discuss updating the syllabus. To update the syllabus, you'll select Syllabus from the course navigation menu. On this page, you'll want to check the syllabus that came over from Blackboard. You want to ensure everything looks as you expect it to. In the event that something looks wrong, on the top right, select Edit. And this brings up the Rich Content Editor, which will allow you to edit your course materials. From here, you could update and include a new syllabus, you could review the content, you can make edits to what you have there. Effectively, the goal of this is to just make sure the syllabus page is as you intended it. Odds are it came over from Blackboard as an exact copy. Once you've corrected anything that needs to be corrected, you're going to press Update Syllabus on the bottom right. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.